How to fix Temu referral code not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Temu coupons may sometimes appear not to work for several reasons. Common issues include entering the code incorrectly, expiration dates having passed, or the coupon being applicable only to specific items or order amounts. Additionally, some promotions may be limited to new users or have restrictions that are not immediately clear. Also, some coupons require a minimum purchase to be valid. Please check if your order meets this requirement. Also, some coupons may only be valid for specific items or categories. Therefore, you need to make sure the items in your shopping cart are eligible. And to increase your chances of success, double-check the code for accuracy, ensure it's still valid, and confirm that your order meets any requirements outlined in the coupon's terms. If problems persist, contacting Temu's customer service may help clarify any issues with the coupon. Many promotional codes are only valid once per customer. If you have used the code before, it will no longer work. So, this was about how you can fix Temu referral code not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.